Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone 16 has the latest iOS and camera permissions enabled, because system access affects dual camera control. Once done, open the camera app and choose photo or video. Make sure you can see the 1x/3x or ultra-wide icon so you can switch lenses. If you want higher fidelity captures, go to Settings and enable Pro RAW or log formats now, as that affects file size and processing. This step prepares both lenses for professional output. Now you focus on using both cameras in sequence and together. Tap 0. 5 for ultra-wide, 1x for main wide, or 3x for telephoto, and observe framing and exposure changes as you switch. You can tap and hold a lens button to lock a preferred zoom step or to smoothly transition while recording. This gives you cinematic control. For moving subjects, enable cinematic or action mode, because these modes auto-manage lens switching and stabilization, so your footage remains steady and focused. To finish, capture your shots and review them in photos. Make adjustments with edit, crop, stabilize, or merge multiple lens frames for a single narrative. If you need true simultaneous multi-lens recording, use verified third-party apps that expose multicam APIs, since stock camera may limit parallel streams. If lens switching fails, restart the camera app, reboot the phone, and check camera permissions in Settings. If problems persist, reset all settings. This typically resolves button or permission conflicts, so both cameras work reliably.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.